All right, Diedrich, here is your 539S sitting on my 48 flathead. Everything went well. No leaks. All nice and dry. Look down inside. It's not wet at all. So I know that float is set right. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Yes, sir. Very nice. Still no leak. I'll let her warm up a little bit here. Okay. Let's go look at some numbers. Right now, that idle RPM is sitting at 600. Fuel pressure, 2.75. Vacuum, 23. Excellent. And there's my dwell at 42. Alrighty. Then we'll pull it through a couple more times for you. Slow and easy. Sir. I think you're going to like it, sir. That's it.